Okay, we're gonna vote online. So first you have to input your email address and password. Okay. And then click to vote. So these are the
25 Philippine
instructions.
national election overseas.
Okay, start voting.
For senators.
For senators. Those are the lists. And then for party list, those are the list. We have 100 something, 156 ba? There. Okay.
Okay, ready to vote for...
I'm ready to vote. I will just choose 12 senators and 1 party list.
Okay, start.
Okay, already voted senators and 1 party list. Okay. Next. Cast your ballot.
Yan, cast your ballot.
Yes.
Yun. Okay, picture ko. Okay. Pwede yung print? You can print
You
daw.
can verify your ballot.
Finish.
Finish. Click finish.
Okay.
Okay. Voted. Done.
Done. Congrats. Good luck.
Okay. Dito po pupunta kapag naka-enroll na kayo for overseas voting.
Okay. Good luck, candidates.